I'm Tony Pare, CEO, Title21 Health Solutions. We are focused on providing software as a service solutions to folks that are manufacturing advanced therapies, um, those that are focused on the oncology therapies, the standard of care oncology therapies like bone marrow transplant, as well as those that are focused on the more advanced therapies like CARs and TILs and those types of things. Title 21 has been in the market for over a decade now. It started in the area of quality management systems for folks that are producing cell therapy products. We've expanded that to learning management systems, as well as systems to track workflow and documentation throughout uh, vein to vein, from the time of collecting starter material from a patient all the way back to transfusion to that patient. I'm fairly new in my role. I am going into month 3 now. This is my first cell and gene therapy conference, and I'm excited to see the potential for the therapies, but also realize there are some dynamics in the market in terms of consolidation of CDMOs, new organizations coming into play, and understanding the biotherapy companies and how they're playing in the market. What's key for us in the future is to be very, very flexible, no matter who is processing these therapies in the future, and have that flexibility to actually change batch records and so forth as products are developed.